How to enable screen flash notifications on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so your screen flashes whenever you get a notification. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Accessibility. After that, tap Advanced Settings. At this point, tap Flash Notification. From here, you'll have two options to choose from: Camera Flash Notification and Screen Flash Notification. Turn on Camera Flash Notification if you want your device's flashlight to blink whenever a notification comes in, or turn on Screen Flash Notification if you'd rather have your entire screen flash instead. Following this, tap on whichever one you enabled and choose between All Apps or Selected Apps, depending on whether you want every notification to trigger it or just specific ones. After that, if you choose Selected Apps, go through the list and toggle on whichever apps you want included. From here, tap Preview at any point to see exactly how the flash will look before you finish setting it up. Finally, once everything is configured, your device will now flash according to your settings whenever one of those selected notifications comes through. That's how you enable screen flash notifications on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!